Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Guys, I am participating in a collaboration, and it is the Mother's Day Coffee Table Collaboration. Now, the hosts for this are the lovely Miss Kimberly Davis of Diva Designing on a Dime and Miss Robin of All Things Luxe by Robin. Now, as it is traditionally done, I have put links down in my description box so that you can easily find your way to both of their channels. And I really do hope you pay both of these ladies a visit today and show them some love. And if you don't subscribe, I hope you do that. I hope you do that and also hit that notifications bell. Now, Robin has a passion for home decor and, just really does beautiful home decor videos. She does tablescapes, you name it. Please go over, pay Robin a visit. Now, Kimberly, I've gone back and watched Kimberly's videos back to when she started. And I'm telling you, even from her very first video, lots of talent, lots of style. She does everything from hauls to lifestyle videos, home decor, tablescapes, you name it. So again, if you're not a member of her channel, please go over today, click that subscription button and that notifications bell, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Now, guys, what we were asked to do today is to do two different coffee table stylings. Now, you'll see I've got nothing on my coffee table because I'm gonna, I'll just start from scratch and do two different looks for you. And of course, this is in honor of Mother's Day. Since I had two mothers, my grandmother and my biological mother, I'm going to dedicate one to my mom and the other to my other mom. So if you'll bear with me, I'm going to go ahead, wipe this table down a little bit, and we'll get started putting together my first coffee table look. Okay, so I'm starting with my first look. And this one I'm going to dedicate to my mom. Miss you, Mama, and happy Mother's Day to you in heaven. Now, what I'm doing here is I have put a tray, and I've got a pop of blue here with this placemat, and there's my mom, and I've got a little blinged out tray there. My mom was the original bling girl. And now I'm just going to add a couple little pieces. I'm not going to go too overboard though. I'm just going to add a few pieces. As you can see, my coffee table isn't that big, so it's not like I have room for a ton of stuff. So let's add a couple more things and then we'll see how this first look comes out. Okay, so I have added a couple little Mercury candle holders, and instead of candles, I've got them filled with pink flowers. I think I'm going to use pink as the accent color for both my looks. Maybe pink, and I may mix in blue too, obviously, but I think we're going to go with pink. Both my mom and my grandmom loved pink. And it's spring, so why not? So let me go see if I can find a couple extra pieces to finish out my coffee table look. But I think I like the way the center piece is looking. So I will go and get a couple more things. I'll be back. Okay, guys, you know what? I think I'm done. This may not seem like a lot, but you know what? My coffee table's not that big, and I really can't get much on there without it looking, too crowded. So what I did is I brought out some candlesticks that you've probably, or candle holders that you've seen in a video or two. I've got some blue candles to tie into the blue Mercury candle holders. Still have that little pop of pink, which I like. And I've got you can see on my sofa there, I've got some blue pillows in the background, and I've changed the drapes to like a dark blue not too long ago. So that all kind of goes together. And then we've just got that little pop of pink in the middle. Really, that's enough, I think. Got my mom's picture there, and this little metal flower that I love. And that's it. So I think that's my first look. So now I'm going to clear everything off and start over again and do a look that I'm going to dedicate to my other mother, my grandmother. All right, I shall be right back. All right, guys, so I am starting over with look 2, and cleared everything off, and I decided to bring in a mirror and take out the blue placemat, and then I layered a different mirror tray on top. And this vase, if you guys saw the video, you might recognize this is a DIY I did for the Upcycle Your Stash challenge a few days back. So I'm going to take that vase and see if I can find florals. And you'll see that I changed out the pillows because I think I'm going to go with more pink this time. So we'll see how it comes out, but I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I found some pink flowers, and those are just, I think I got those at probably Walmart. Some pink bushes that I had, and I got a couple flower bushes in there, and I like the pink. Not bad. One thing I like about the color palette I have and just having neutral furniture is that I can change the accent color when I want, and since I get bored easily, that's a good thing. So I don't think this looks too bad. What I'm gonna do is add a couple other little pieces to finish this off. And you know what? I may have found a new home for this vase because I actually kind of like it there. So I will be back. All right, guys, so here we go. I think this is it. I don't think I'm gonna put anything else on this table. Again, the coffee table's pretty small, so there's not a lot of room here. But you know what? I think I like this look better than the first look. But you guys let me know. Please feel free to leave me a comment. So what I did is, I had added the florals. I just brought out these pink candles and the candlestick holders that I had on I actually used them on my entryway table, but I kind of like them here. So there's my lovely grandma, and I actually think this looks better. I like the pink pillows too in the background. I think that plays nicely against the blue, and it adds a nice pop of color. To me, that speaks Mother's Day and spring. So I actually may leave it like this. I like this. So anyway, guys, I thank you so much for watching this today. And if you're not a member of this channel, or you don't subscribe, I really hope you'll do that today. And, please don't forget to like, comment, share, all of that great stuff. And if you subscribe, make sure that you hit that notifications bell, tap it 2 times. And I want to give a really quick shout out again, and bear with me while I get my paper here. Again, to the host for this, it is Diva Designing on a Dime. And of course, that's Kimberly Davis, and All Things Luxe by Robin. Again, excuse me, that's All Things Luxe by Robin. So if you, don't subscribe to their channels, follow that link, the links that I put down in the description box Make sure you pay them a visit, show them some love, and visit the playlist if you would, so that you can see all of the other creators' work, because I'm sure there's going to be a lot of participants and a lot of great work. I'm going to go visit that playlist myself. So again, thank you so much. And I want to close by saying to all the mothers out there, whether you're watching, not watching, whether you're still with us or not, happy Mother's Day. And thanks again, guys. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.